Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. I want to show you a new tool we have from Stampin' Up. Let me bring this up so you can see it all. And in fact, I don't know if you will be able to. This is the new Cut and Emboss machine, Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Like the Big Shot, except look at it, folds up, it opens up, it folds back, and you can carry it. Now this is the regular size one. There's also going to be a mini one available, but this one you can start ordering on September 1st. So I just wanted to show you, this itself is the machine. When you get it, all you have to do is just attach there's a screw in it. They give you a little Allen wrench. You just attach the handle to it. Okay. It comes with the quick start guide. It just tells you how to what's inside the box, care and instructions, attaching the handle, using the Stampin' Cut, how to use that, and then the 3-year limited warranty. And this shows you how to do all of the put on the handle and how to open it up and how to stack them. It also comes with, this is the platform, and it says this is not a cutting surface, but on it, it shows you place die cutting edge down, and it shows you this is plate 1, so you see plate 1 here. They have plate 2, they all are marked, plate 2, then they've got 2 plate 3s. I don't know if you can see, yeah, there's a 3 there, and there's a 3 there, and then they have a plate 4, okay? And the only cutting surface is on these, okay? So, and it tells you if this is for plate 1, you need plate 1, plate 2, and plate 3 when using thin dies. Insert embossing folder, hinge first always so you don't break it. And you use plate 1, and for using standard embossing folders, you use plate 1 and 2 plate 3s. And then for 3D, you use plate 1, let's see, plate 1 and plate 4. So I'm just going to show you how to do some of the things. Okay, I've got a regular embossing folder. Okay, this is the Woodland embossing folder, and I'm just going to put a piece in there. And so since this is a regular embossing folder, I put 1 there and I put 2 3s. So I put a 3 down. I put the embossing folder, remember, with the, let's put this in straight, with the edge, the fold goes through first, okay, and then the other third plate, number 3 plate, okay, and get this in there, and then you just when it makes the noise, so don't be upset if it makes the noise. So there we go. That's just how you emboss a regular embossing folder. Now I'm going to take the flowering something or other. I can't remember what the name of this is, but it's a 3D embossing folder. So it says for place using a 3D embossing folder, you use 1, place this there, and use plate 4, okay? And there we go. and it comes out really nice. Okay, now I'm just going to take a one of my dies, and let's see, using a thin die, you take 1, 2, a 3, and this is the first time I'm cutting on these, guys. I'm gonna cry. Then you put this with the cutting surface down, cutting edge down, and then you place the other 3 on top of it and run it through. Okay? Now they do have, this is what just comes with it, but they will have a magnetic plate if you want one. Oh well, I'll get more plates. And there you got your die cut. I like it. It was a little smoother, but again, my Big Shot is 8 years old, so it's sometimes the crank's hard. I really like this. Also, if you want, we used to have the Big Z dies. They would go like in here, then they would, the Big Z die would go there, and then there the paper, and then the Big Z die, and then you would run this through without that bottom, that #1 plate. You wouldn't need the #1 plate for the Big Z dies. So there's our new Stampin' Cut emboss machine. So I really love it. I love the fact that it will take up less space when I'm in the RV. And all I'll have to do is find a place for these. I'm going to get some more cutting plates because you know I have to have brand new cutting plates someplace. I may not use them, but I have to have them. Anyhow, thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Oh, remember, follow me on YouTube, and you can have all the information to order this September 1st will be down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.